What's up guys, it's Davi from DUCKCHAR. Welcome to another episode of Cooking Stuff with Duck Fat. Duck fat garlic confit. Garlic confit is normally made with olive oil. It's normally made with olive oil because most people don't know you can cook it with duck fat, or because they're self-sabotagers and they don't want to make the best possible recipe. You can cook it with duck fat because duck fat is a cooking oil. Any recipe that uses a cooking oil can usually use duck fat, and generally speaking, it will taste better. It makes great recipes greater, it makes good recipes better, and with bad recipes, it's worth a shot, but we can't make any promises. This recipe is one of my favorites because it only has 2 ingredients, garlic and duck fat. The first step of the recipe is just to peel garlic cloves and put them into a saucepan and pour in enough DUCKCHAR duck fat so that all the cloves are submerged. Cook the cloves until they're fork tender. Usually cook on low. If the cloves start to brown or turn golden, you're cooking them too hot and you need to take them off the heat. It takes about 25 to 30 minutes for the duck fat garlic confit to cook. That's it. As soon as they're fork tender, this recipe is done. All you need to do is let the mixture cool, put it back in a jar, and store it in the fridge. Okay, so what do you do with garlic confit? Well, we tried a couple things. We used it on crostinis as a spread, almost like a butter. What makes this recipe so nice is that when you cook garlic with duck fat, it takes away some of that sharp bitterness and really enhances that natural sweetness of garlic. Plus, the duck fat itself is a really nice flavor enhancer, and when you cook foods with it, they start to taste like a better version of themselves. What are some of the really good ways to use garlic confit? You can use it in marinades, you can use it as a topping for stuff like pizzas. It's also really good if you take those confit garlic cloves and place them under the skin of chicken so that you have the garlic confit kind of cooking from the inside out. It has this incredible flavor enhancement to the chicken, and duck fat is really good for making crispy foods crispy, so there's nothing better than crispy chicken skin, and when you cook chicken with duck fat, you're gonna get that. As you guys can see, this recipe is super easy. It literally takes just 25 minutes to cook, maybe 30, and you can do whatever you want with it. It's like having a super top secret ingredient in your fridge, and you can use it on anything, and it makes anything taste better. If you guys have any comments or questions, comment below. If you want to learn more about how to cook with duck fat or more duck fat recipes, we've got plenty of links below. That's it, that's all. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey, John, this recipe only has 2 ingredients. Yeah. No, I know it's really easy, but I'm still gonna get paid, right? I thought I had like a ingredient minimum or something. Okay, it's your money, and I get to keep it too, to eat for later. Let's do it.